Adobe Animate is a powerful tool for creating animations, whether for web, games, or interactive media. It's great for both beginners and professionals due to its user-friendly interface and robust set of features. One of the standout features of Adobe Animate is its ability to create vector-based animations. This means your animations can be resized without losing quality, which is especially useful for projects that need to scale across different screen sizes. You can draw, animate, and design directly within the program, which makes the workflow smooth and efficient. The program offers a variety of drawing tools, from brushes to pens, and allows you to work with both frame-by-frame and motion tweening animations. Motion tweens in particular make it easy to create smooth transitions and movements, saving a lot of time compared to traditional frame-by-frame animation. Another highlight is the integration with other Adobe programs like Photoshop and Illustrator. You can import assets from these programs into Animate and continue working on them without losing quality. This is especially useful for animators who already use Adobe's ecosystem of tools. Adobe Animate also supports HTML5, JavaScript, and other modern formats, making it easy to create interactive content for the web. Whether you're designing banners, cartoons, or interactive buttons, Animate offers a wide range of options to bring your ideas to life. Overall, Adobe Animate is a versatile and intuitive animation software. Its flexibility and integration with other Adobe tools make it an excellent choice for anyone involved in animation. Whether for personal projects or professional use,